Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to show you guys how my room looks before and how it looks after. So let's just jump into this video. Okay, so this is my current decor here in my bedroom, which is really pretty, but according to my mom, that comforter is old. So we're going to be changing it up and tweaking the little things here and there in the room so that it looks more fresh. But anyway, so let's get started with this decor with me / room tour. I hope you guys enjoy. I think it's really pretty. I think it did its job for the time that I needed it for. But now it has to go. But anyway, so yeah, this is how my room looks like. Right there we have a window. And then the bathroom is in there. Which I will do a bathroom tour for you guys too, but not today. We're gonna do one thing at a time.
This is my collection of shoes.
Is this your shoe collection, Rosa?
Of course it is, and this is my bed. See? Huh? And that's the wall of memories. The day we thought it was a girl.
Uh-huh.
The family. That's Leo listening to music.
So
when
cute.
he's a newborn. That's Daddy actually kissing him. The wall of memories. And me standing up with no braces. And my feet were purple.
No. No. Look, I have twin babies. Alright, well, let's do this, okay? Okay, our first step is going to be our new sheets. We're going to be placing them right now. And where's my helper? Leo, are you going to help me? Okay, so this is the skirt that I'll be using. I'm going to have to iron it because it's very wrinkly. And it doesn't look as good when it's wrinkly. And right now we have the old comforter. But we're about to change it and make it super fancy. And those are the bed sheets that I showed you guys on a previous video. I got it at Home Goods and they were 50 bucks. But they're super comfortable. Rosa has the same ones and I love them. Okay, the mess is real. We're about to replace everything. And we're moving the room around. So, ooh, I'm excited for you guys to see the final result. Neil, are you helping me or you're just making a bigger mess? Okay, 30 minutes later, we got the comforter done. I did a lot of ironing. I did iron the pillows and the comforter because it was very wrinkly. And it looks pretty plain, so I'm going to add some pretty pillows to it to give it a different look. But so far, I am loving the way it looks. Okay, you guys, so these pillows are from Home Goods. I did get them on sale. The price for this set was only $12. Let me see if I can find the tag so I can show you. Where is it? Right here. So I only paid $12 for this 2 pillows. Okay, so I found this pillow. That's the one that I used to have before. I'm kind of undecided on whether if I should leave this one or just put the plain white one that I just had. I mean, this is really pretty too. It's a very fresh look. So we're gonna have to see. Okay, so these curtains, I did get them for Rosa. The price for this was $20. I got it at Burlington, But I'm going to give them a try and see how they look in my room, because I've been having those for quite a while. Although I love the lighting for the curtains that I currently have. I'm going to give this a try. If it doesn't work out, I'll just go back to my old ones. The curtains are not going to work out for me because it makes my room very dark, and that I do not like. It's taking away the light in this room, so we're going to have to... Yeah, we're going to keep my old curtains on. Yes, Papa, we're keeping the old curtains. Alright, so this is the new look that I gave my room. So I'm going to walk you guys through it and tell you where everything is from. So in case you guys were wondering. Alright, so let's start with the curtains right here. This one's right here. As you see, as you just saw, I was very undecided on which ones to pick. But I went with this ones because they have a lot of... they're really thin and they just make my room look really fresh and white. I just love it. So I believe I got this ones at Home Goods. The price for them were $29. And then these flowers right here are from Home Goods. The mirror is from Home Goods. The candle from Ross. The little tray, which you guys can see right there, is from Home Goods. And the king and the queen is from Ross. Up here we have little Leo. And this shelf, I got it from IKEA. I believe the price for it was like 50 bucks, I want to say. And this plant, actually, I decided to go for a real plant this time. I went to Home Depot. I got this the other day, and I liked it a lot. I think it gives it a very fresh look in this room. The price for this was, I believe, $75. I want to say. One of the nightstands I got at Home Goods, and from the one on the other side, I got it at Burlington. And as you guys remember, the lamps are from Ross. They were $27.99. I know a lot of you guys were saying that it was not gonna look good, that it was gonna look good. We were debating on whether we were gonna keep them or not. I ended up keeping them, and I feel like they look perfect. This little tray is pretty old, but I still like it. It still has some life into it. I got it at Home Goods, I believe like 2 or 3 years ago. And we'll just put the keys there, the wallet, whatever my husband just brings into the room that he just wants to put on top of the dresser, and I say no. So he's just gonna have to put it in this little tray. And this little blanket right here, I believe I got it at Home Goods a long time ago. I was actually gonna get rid of it because it looks pretty beat up. But it turned out that it still works. It still looks good. And I'm very happy that I can reuse it in this room. Moving on to this side. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. This plant, I've been having it for quite a while. I got it on clearance. Don't remember where I got it from, to be honest. The mirror is from Home Goods. And the candle from Ross. That little sign that says Breeze, I believe I got it at Home Goods too. Alright, so I decided to place the mirror on this side. It's really pretty. I got this at Home Goods again. I've been having it for quite a while. It was actually in my living room and everyone loved it because apparently it makes you look skinnier than what you really are. So yeah, we have it here in the bedroom. I was looking for something more sparkly, more glam, but I wasn't able to find it. Well, I did find one, but it was like 500 bucks and I just didn't think it was worth it. And this fur rug, I've been having it for quite a while. It was in my makeup room for a couple months and then I got tired of it and I just brought it down here. Super soft. There I am with my polka dot robe. Oh, this video is taking me longer to film than I expected, you guys. It's almost 12 o'clock and I've been down here since 8:30 in the morning. So yeah, it takes a while to film videos. Also, I did iron the pillowcases just because they were very, what's it called? Wrinkly. And my husband's like, are you serious, Leslie? You're ironing the pillowcases? I'm like, yeah. And I also ironed the comforter a little bit. I mean, I didn't want to put it in the washer because it would have took me longer. But I think it looks awesome. I am loving the way it looks in here. Oh my god, this candle, I got it at Ross, and holy smokes. Yesterday, my husband was the first time he ever used it in this room, and the whole house was smelling like it. I love it. This is the one that I had in my bathroom. We took it out of there because it didn't look so safe, especially because it was the kids' bathroom. I just didn't feel comfortable, so we brought it in here, and the whole house, literally the whole house, it smells so good. And then over here we have my pretty shoes. I used to have more shoes, you guys, but I got rid of so many of them. And then I also have some upstairs in my makeup room. But these are some of my shoes. They're all so pretty. I'll show you guys a few. These ones are Betty Johnson. Oh my god, those are so pretty. And these boots have been with me for quite a while. They're so comfortable. I love them. Then over here, my Gucci sandals that don't fit me right now. And then my Antigona, I decided to place it there. I might just start removing all the shoes and placing handbags in here. I don't know. We'll see, because I have a lot of handbags too. And then up here I have a few of my handbags. Most of them are upstairs. But yes, you guys, that is it for today's video. This is my room. Well, not just mine. It's Evan and I's room. Although he says, this is your room, Leslie. This is not mine. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about my room? What do you think about the decor? What do you like the most? I would love to hear it on the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!
Green under the sun, we do our best to hide. Innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming anyway, so take me away, some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. Across the borderline into our dream. Nothing will ever be as real as this. The flames won't burn our skin. We're thick as thieves, and we know what we do. We live on like an echo. Oh, so take me away, some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away.
Bye bye.